credit cards are a convenient way to shop. Not only they come with a number of perks including points, rewards, and cashback, but they also help you to build your credit history, which comes really handy if you are going to get some credit requests or borrow money later down the road to say, for instance, buy a house or get a loan for a car or any other borrowing needs. But if you've been looking to apply for a credit card, you've probably noticed that there is a multitude of options out there in terms of different perks and benefits, in terms of different costs that you have to pay, whether it's free or there's a cost to that. So what we're going to do in this video, we are going to focus for those of you who are interested in cashback credit cards, but in particular a cashback credit card that comes with no annual fee. Whether you are a newcomer to Canada here and are looking to build your credit history, but looking also to get a card to use for your day-to-day shopping purposes, or you want to just add to one of your existing credit cards an option that doesn't charge you any fee, but in the meantime earns you good cashback, this video is meant for you. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to introduce two of my favorite cashback credit cards that have no annual fee, and I think that you should definitely consider those as good options to add to your list of credit cards that you can carry in your pocket. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first money back or cashback credit card that I want to introduce to you is the one with Tangerine. Unlike other credit cards, this Tangerine money back credit card actually allows you to earn unlimited money back rewards on everyday purchases without any annual fee. You know that many credit cards, sometimes they have a limit on how much cashback you can earn, and they also have different percentages. So what's very unique about Tangerine cashback credit card is that they allow you to earn up to 2% cashback in your everyday purchases. And this is a very unique detail. So what do we mean here by up to 2%? So as you scroll down here and looking at the key features, when it comes to the Tangerine card, you get to pick two different categories of purchases, and for those two categories, you have an option of actually getting 2% money back in terms of your purchases. For any other category though, outside of those two main selected categories, you would earn 0.5%. So obviously when you select this card, you want to be very cautious and careful of what are those categories of purchases where you have the majority of your expenses incurred for, and as a result pick those ones so that you maximize the benefits from this card. That said, if you open a savings account with Tangerine, which by the way is free of charge and there's no cost whatsoever for opening that account, Tangerine allows you to have a third category also added to your favorite categories, for which you would earn 2% cashback. So that's what has been indicated here in terms of the earn extra rewards. The other feature of this card is the fact that you earn your cashback automatically, and they would be added to your credit card or your savings account in case you choose to open one on a monthly basis. Again, this is a very positive thing, unlike many other cards where you have to wait for an entire 1 year to get your cash back. Here there's no such wait time, and on top of that there's no limit in terms of how much you need to earn before you are able to actually use your cash back, unlike some other cards that they say you have to hit a minimum of, let's say, $100 before you can actually tap into your earned cashback. So no such thing limit here. Definitely it's a very positive thing with Tangerine money back card. You're able to track and categorize your spendings, organizing your transactions, and staying on top of your spendings, and see your financial habits, and then decide which categories are better for you to pick for top categories. There are obviously a number of categories for you to pick from, including groceries, furniture, restaurants, hotel and motels, gas. It's a very popular one, especially if you tend to drive to work and back. Recurring bill payments, you could also pick that as one of your categories. Drugstores, home improvements, entertainment, and of course public transportation and parking. There are some details provided here down below. You understand better what each category entail, but essentially it's a free credit card that you can easily access and use, and it's compatible with a number of key mobile wallets options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. There are a number of additional card benefits. For instance, there's purchase assurance and extended warranty with this card. But keep in mind that cards like this, because they have no annual fee and of course they're cashback, they do not have some of those unique perks that some other type of credit cards have. So you might be familiar that there are credit cards out there that are specialized and focused on travels. So those cards allow you to earn points and then you can use those points for travels. And there are also other cards out there that allows you to earn points and you can use those points for buying gift cards, merchandise, and various items. So they usually tend to give you various options, whereas these ones, because they are focused on cashback, that's your only option. This card doesn't come with any additional perks, such as it enhances insurance, such as accident insurance, life insurance, or protection insurance if you travel, and those things. So keep that in mind. This is a good option because no cost and there's no risk in having a card, and you can keep those. And even if you don't use these cards for a long time, you're not gonna actually lose anything. In fact, the longer you hold the cards, and of course you maintain it and trying to keep it active, maybe use it once a year or whatnot, it allows you to actually build your credit history in a positive way, as long as you use these cards in a responsible manner. So make sure you always pay your card's balance in full and don't owe the credit card company anything. So always pay what you owe them on time, and only use your credit cards actually to purchase items that you have the money to pay for. So keep that in mind when using credit cards, whether it's money back card from Tangerine or any other card for that matter. The second card that I want to introduce, and this is also a good option, is the BMO or Bank of Montreal Cashback MasterCard. This is again another good one. What is unique about this card, aside from the fact that it has a zero annual fee, is the fact that it has a welcome offer that in the first 3 months, any purchase that you use this card for, you are going to get 5% cashback. So that 3 months introductory bonus rate of 5% cashback is really enticing, especially if you have maybe a large purchase anticipating to come your way. You might be able to actually apply for this card and then charge it to this card and get a really good 5% cashback. I think that's quite enticing. From there on, the card gives you back 3% cashback on grocery spendings, 1% cashback on your recurring bill payments. These could be, for instance, if you use the card for prepaid payments for your phone bills or internet bills or things of that nature, you're going to get 1% cashback. And then anything else outside of these categories, you still earn 0.5% unlimited cashback, similar to the 0.5% cashback that you had for the Tangerine cashback card. So there's that similarity in there. As I mentioned, there's no annual fee for this card, and they also have an option of, if you owe some money on other credit cards, you can transfer that balance to a BMO card and get an introductory interest rate of only 1.99%. So hopefully you're not in that case. Here on Momentum Channel, we are more focused on folks who are actually in control of their finances and have well planned their financial journey. But if you are in a category where you have a credit card debt, you might of course want to take advantage of these introductory rates for balancing your transfer, but we're hoping that actually you do not belong to that category. We are really trying to educate you so that you are in full control of your financial destiny and can actually maximize and play the game that these various financial institutions are playing, so that you can use the system to your advantage and not really having to pay any interest to banks or any financial institutions. I hope you found this video beneficial, and we try to really focus on 2 of these credit cards that allow you to have cashback at no annual fee, allowing you to earn some cashbacks for your everyday purchases, and being able to build your credit history, whether you are a newcomer here in Canada or you're someone who's lived in Canada for long, but you actually really plan to build your credit history and get a higher score when it comes to your credit score. With that being said, please let me know if you own any of these credit cards, or if you know any other cashback, no annual fee credit card here in Canada or in your respective country that you would like to recommend. Leave us a comment in the comment section down below and share your thoughts and feedback with us. If you found this video beneficial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this video as well. Of course, please don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum channel, we post weekly videos about the stock market investing, finances, and really taking control of your financial destiny. Have a great day and see you next time.